Functional areas. Location introduction. Loading. Sandblasting. Degreasing. Tap water. Drying oven. Spray paint. Curing oven. Cooling section. Unloading. Automatic powder coating line. A GV loading process. Hoist conveyor system. The workpiece is sandblasted in the sandblasting room with a single gun cleaning speed of 10 to 15 square meters per hour. The workpiece undergoes degreasing and cleaning. 15 kilowatts pipeline, centrifugal pump, 300 for stainless steel. The workpiece undergoes tap water rinsing. 15 kilowatts pipeline, centrifugal pump, 300 for stainless steel. The workpiece undergoes drying treatment. Riello, 500,000 kilocalorie, dual-stage natural gas burner. The workpiece undergoes spraying in the powder coating booth. Configured with 2 sets of cyclone and filter dust collectors, with a total air volume of 50,000 cubic meters per hour. The workpiece undergoes curing treatment in the curing chamber. Curing oven temperature, 180,220 degrees centigrade. The workpiece undergoes cooling in the cooling zone. After cooling, the workpiece is unloaded using an AGV. Intelligent coating equipment manufacturer.